What is up, gang? Nick here. Welcome to the show if you're new. Thanks for coming back if you're not. Alright, I hear you, I see you. I'm answering the call. NNDM, Nano Dimension Limited, has been the most requested company in the comments section as of lately, and here I am finally breaking it down for you all. This is going to be a fun one. This is genuinely a fascinating company with so much promise. Thank you to everyone who has pledged on my Patreon page. It means the world to me and really helps fuel the channel. We're already up big on the Nova and Neo returns. Let's keep that bread coming. The first 100 patrons will be receiving exclusive content, and it's filling up fast. I can't believe it. Thank you so much. I finished 2020 with over a 50% ROI, and I am hoping to repeat this year. We have a lot to get into in today's video, but before we do, Webull has improved their promo. They are now offering 4 free stocks worth up to $3,700. All you have to do is 1, sign up, 2, open an account, and 3, deposit in at least $100 using the link in my description. This is a complete no-brainer. They are a 0% commissions trading platform and offers some of the best analytics in the game in my point of view. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, smash the like button, and without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get right into it. Alright, so a quick background if you do not know who Nano Dimension Limited are. What do they do? Where do they see their company going in the coming years? Well, if you have watched my channel before, you will know I am extremely bullish on innovative disruption. This is where my core investment strategy lies, and it has definitely treated me well in the past. Nano Dimension is, in my point of view, so exceptionally well positioned in this field and fits perfectly to disrupt the status quo. Nano Dimension is a company that specifically focuses on 3D printed electronics. They are promising on being a disruptor in the world of industrials, providing prototypes in days instead of weeks, and are really fundamentally revolutionizing the way people even consider and think about production of electronics. Now, why do investors and Nano Dimension think their technology is going to be so revolutionary? Well, before I touch on that, let's look at their chart just to visualize this absolutely insane hype currently taking place, and then let's discuss why one of the most recent famous funds and investors is pouring millions of dollars into this company. Alright, looking at their chart, we can immediately see the intense hype as of late. This has been one of the most hyped penny stocks in the past few months. Well, I guess it's no longer a penny stock as it skyrocketed in the past few months, but nonetheless. Since lows logged in September, it's trading up over 600% to 1038. Many investors and analysts think this is literally only the beginning. In the past 5 trading days alone, we are seeing heavy share volumes and again trading up over 15%. We're not even seeing a slowing growth curve take place. This is quite linear, and with institutional money moving into this company, some think this may accelerate in the coming months and years. This stock could 10x. Let's get into what massive funds are saying about this company. Why are they pouring millions of dollars into Nano Dimension? The now notorious Ark Invest, led by the now internet famous Cathie Wood at its helm, owns 3.9 million shares of Nano Dimension in their next generation internet ETF. Although this is only actually 0.67% of their portfolio, this still remains an incredibly high quantity of shares valued at around $40 million. Moreover, Nano Dimension is in the top 14 holdings in Ark's autonomous technology and robotics ETF, where they own another 6 million shares valued at $62 million. Why is Cathie Wood and Ark Invest so bullish on this company? Where do they see it going? Well, there are a number of reasons why Cathie Wood is pouring money into Nano Dimension. She sees the future of this company being so applicable to so many industries and really is bullish on 3D printing in general. Wood and Ark see applications of Nano Dimension in so many different sectors. Wood sees robotics as being a massive play in the future, sees 3D printing revolutionizing the aerospace industry, and lastly, and maybe most importantly, she is seeing huge upside to 3D printing within the healthcare industry, which may be poised to dominate and receive increased precedence and importance in the coming years. She states that around 95% of hearing aids are now 3D printed, and there are so many other applications for 3D printing in the high-value medical field, such as hip replacements, knee replacements, and other organ systems. 3D printing perfectly allows for customization and at a rapid turnaround time where conventional industrials aren't able to match. Cathie Wood also states that because the aerospace is in trouble right now and needs to rapidly cut their costs, they are going to be searching for alternative methods for producing their products. 3D printing will likely help them reduce their costs, streamline their production, and lower the rate increase in fuel optimization. She is even stating, get this, that maybe, just maybe, one day entire vehicles will be 3D printed. Now this is obviously a dramatic concept. However, I really do not think that this is far-fetched whatsoever, and this may be coming sooner than many may think. This puts 3D printing companies into a very, and I mean very, enticing position, and this is exactly why we are seeing this massive run-up lately in these companies and their resultant stocks. Investors are realizing the benefits and jumping all over these stocks in their still low values. So great, we are seeing all of the applications to 3D printing, and yes, I understand the hype, but I know what you're saying. You're saying, well, Nick, where does Nano Dimension specifically fit into this mold? And yes, that's a pun. How will Nano Dimension specifically benefit from this coming landscape? Well, Nano Dimension is actually in a very interesting niche within the 3D printing industry itself. So they're not actually printing the end products, like the hearing aid itself or the knee replacement. What they're doing is 3D printing the electronics within 3D printed industrials and specifically 3D printing circuit boards. Yes, I know this is slightly mind-blowing. Now, Nano Dimension claims that they are able to heighten the processing power and the level of circuitry into their products specifically because of their 3D printing technologies and can outcompete what a conventional production would have. They are able to make flexible circuit boards and really outcompete traditional players in the space. I really like this stock. I'm going to personally try to enter under the $9 mark. However, I'll make an initial entry if we don't drop below within the next few days, as I do think this stock is going to explode. Like I said, I will be posting all of these trades up to the minute on my Patreon page, so make sure you check that out. Some analysts are stating that this could potentially 10x, up 1000% in the coming years, and could set a new precedence for how production itself for industrials, healthcare, aerospace, and the automotive industry are even conceptualized. And I really don't think it ends there. The possibilities for 3D printing are virtually endless. I will be keeping a very close eye on this company with update videos weekly, so make sure you subscribe. You do not want to miss those. This is going to be a fascinating time for this company moving forward. Don't forget about the Webull Promo, 4 free stocks worth up to $3,700. All you have to do is 1, sign up, 2, open an account, and 3, deposit in at least $100. Worst case scenario, you're still getting more than a 20% ROI. This is a complete no-brainer in my books. This offer ends soon, guys. Do not sleep on it. Check out my Patreon page. I would really appreciate it. You don't want to miss any of the content or the discussions or the inside looks that are going to be posted throughout the course of the year. This is the year of the bread. Anyways, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the continued support. I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Happy trading. Cheers.